Hi guys, how are you? I'm Maria and today I want to talk eyebrow business. So I have jumped on this soap brow train last week basically, or this week, and I must say I am a complete novice when it comes to doing eyebrows. I only do my eyebrows for a year. I have always been using a pencil that I know works for me. I always thought of my eyebrows as in a fine shape. I do not have to do too much about it, but I've recently noticed that the contrast between my eyebrows and my hair is huge. And also that when I do my makeup, my eyebrows kind of disappear. So I do have to put some sort of product in. So for the past years, I have been mostly using the Benefit eyebrow pencil. I used the Goof Proof and now I have the Precisely My Brow. Then around 6 months ago, I jumped onto the pomade train. I bought the Anastasia Dip Brow in Auburn. Perfect shade match for me. And then recently, obviously, I have seen all these soap brow trends and I wanted to try it out. So I'm in Australia and our Ulta, so to speak, has brought out their own version of it. It's 16 Australian dollars, so it's really cheap. It's called the Brow Guru Super Soap. As you can see, I did most of my face already. It's just the eyebrows missing. So I got this on Sunday, the 14th of March, and I ran home and then I took my spoolie and then started rubbing it in. But I was like, what is this? This is a bit weird. And then I watched a couple of videos and I realized you have to use it wet. So what I've been doing since then is I wet my spoolie, rub it in there, and then brush it through my brows. So let's do that. I have here a bit spray bottle with water, but I'm gonna spray it today directly in there. Given that I have been playing with it for a week, I will give you my thoughts on it. This is Dina's spoolie, by the way. Anyway, so what I've been doing is I've been brushing my brows thoroughly with this, with product on it. And what I noticed is as well is that because I've been doing this for a couple of days, my skin is a bit sore. Okay, it's not enough. You don't really feel the goop when you brush it through, but when you touch your brows once they dry, you will definitely feel the goop. So this looks a bit nuts. And then what I do is I take a little bit of my dip brow, like literally this much. You really don't need much when you do the soap brow, at least this is in my opinion. I warm it up on the lid. And then what I do is I just add the brow pomade wherever I feel like it's needed. So this is one thing that I don't like, is when you put the brow pomade in, it definitely moves your brows and makes them stick together, but nothing is lost yet. I think we've got enough. You can definitely feel when you rub your brush into your brows, you can feel already how stiff they are. And then what I do is there's still obviously product on it, but I don't rub it more, and then I go on the edges and then I brush them this way, and then when I go through the brows, I just brush them into place. Yeah, and then I brush them into place, but I make sure that they are still separated and you can actually see each brow. Okay, can you see? do like this look. My only complaints about this is that the spoolie didn't fit properly into this thing unless you bend it. I'm just worried that if I bend it back and forth too often, it will break. And my other complaint is that if you put product before you do the soap brow, it smears it everywhere. So let's say you put your pomade on and then you start brushing it out, it will smear it everywhere. But if you do it after, it's definitely a learning curve to get it into the right places so you do not post too much product into your eyebrows. And my last two complaints are that the soap brow goes all over the top of your eyebrows. So I don't know if it would make sense to make your eyebrows before you do the rest of your makeup. And my very last complaint is that after a couple of hours, you will see things balling up here. So it has like white specks. I know I feel like I have more complaints than likes, but I do like the look of it. It looks more put together. I will definitely use it. I will use it up. So I will try to make it work with the products that I have. I hope you like this video. It's like a first impression basically. Give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more novice videos of me trying random stuff. And I shall see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.